That's gonna be like trying to get Sneakers O'Toole to take his sneakers off.
I'm not taking my sneakers off. I am Sneakers O'Toole.
Hey, take those sneakers